look at these gigantic tires. Nice to know that the tires from heavy-duty machinery have a second life serving as a breaker along the Caribbean coast. These tires have nothing to do with the story, but they're so huge that I wanted to still film them anyway. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are along Colombia's Caribbean coast, where we're going to walk for about half an hour along the beach to take a rafting tour and see some monkeys. A slog of a hike. I'm nuclear free. Tree branch or part of a log. Jarka. Sweat. This is the port where the rafting excursion will begin, where the Rio San Salvador meets the Caribbean Sea outside of the town of Palomino. This is where the salt water of the Caribbean Sea meets the fresh water of the Rio San Salvador. Well, someone got lucky already. But it ain't the fish. In the distance, that's the Sierra Nevada Santa Marta, the largest coastal mountain in the world, and its elevation is almost 6,000 meters. Well, this fording looks a little deeper than the last river crossing. Buena suerte a mí. This part does not look barefoot friendly. However, I've been assured this is what we're supposed to do.
¿Ves? Si quieres puedes ponerte los zapatos. Y pican duro.
So we are supposed to wear shoes. Okay, I'll take his advice. I just missed the second butterfly that was entrapped into this spider's web. Oh, neat!
Sí.
An all-terrain hike before getting to the raft. It feels like we've been walking a lot longer than the 200 or 300 meters from where we started at the mouth of the San Salvador River. While we have a moment, let's give some love to the trees. Look at the size of this one, and it is named a caracoli.
Raíz mangle y al frente árbol mangle.
More love to the trees. Let's see how smooth this bamboo is. With the creaky squeaking of the tree's trunk, maybe it is appropriate to zoom in on the spider.
Aproximadamente tiene 150 años el árbol caminador.
So this walking tree is 150 years old, and it's not just a walking tree, but it's also a swinging tree. There's one, the first monkey of the tour. They're a little bit more active in midday than I would have thought, but that's good for the camera at least. Our chariot is arriving. This looks like a challenging river crossing. It's a good thing I filmed those other tourists in their watercraft because, well, our raft never arrived. Hey, sometimes you gotta travel with low expectations, but keep the spirit up. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Local people, natural sounds, not a lot of money. From Colombia's Caribbean coast, outside of Palomino, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next edition. However, we do have a fish waiting for us on the beach. Stay tuned after the extra. If you can't stand the heat, you gotta stay out of a Caribbean kitchen. I don't know if this is a tilapia or if this is snapper, but whatever it is, I'm never disappointed with the fish here on Colombia's Caribbean coast. Say, did you like this story? Fantastico. All help for Bob is appreciated. Likes, comments, and subscriptions. And don't forget to share this story con tus amigos.